The third part of this person's question was around handling complex business processes and Salesforce integrations amongst those, and how an admin kind of plays into that. So what I would say is some common challenges that people see when they're setting up a Salesforce environment is, one, you need it to look and function the way that you want it to. Two, you need it to integrate to the different tools and pass information back and forth. And then third, you kind of need to maintain that. Amongst all those different things, an admin can come into play in different parts of that scenario. First, I would say getting everything set up. I don't think you need your own admin on staff to do that. I think you need a relationship with someone that can do that work for you, so a Salesforce consulting company. When it comes to integrating that configuration that you then built into different systems, that comes down to using either API tools or something like MuleSoft from Salesforce. Setting those integrations up is another kind of one-time thing. So would you want to employ some kind of employee full-time that does a one-time setup for you? Probably not. This is when it also look at more of a consultant. But then you have the maintaining aspect of this. You have everything set up. You have this data passing back and forth. You might need to make some changes. Once you start getting into something that complex, then it might make sense to have an admin on staff to help with that. But what I've seen in my experience of seeing others take advantage of Salesforce and myself taking advantage of Salesforce is that working with a consulting partner to get everything really set up out of the gate is what most people do. And then they hire an admin to maintain that into the long term. I would say that anyone under 50 employees, you will likely not need a Salesforce admin. If you're above 50, yeah, I'd start thinking about maybe hiring a Salesforce admin to kind of keep up with this stuff, just because automating all your business processes, automating all of your integration, you probably want someone to manage that.